Shelves in the basement, packed with tidy things. Oh, look underneath. What's by your feet? Oh, look out. Oh, it's water. Lots of water. Lots of water. Lots of water. Oh, lots of water. Lots of water. Clean, clean water. We should get some goldfish and set them free and have races. Cool, huh? Ooh, look at that. Will that happen again? Oh, maybe. Oh, it looks cosmic. Oh, hey, let me redirect this video. Right now, I'm taking footage of the moon. And look at this strange phenomenon that's happening to the moon. It's never seen before footage. Okay. Well, oh, this is psychedelic. Oh, Christ. Well, it's clean water, you know. It could be a lot worse. It's clean water.